TP690 Flail Mower has a wet bath air filter. So to check it and to fill it, you release the wing nut that holds the casing on. On here, you have a minimum and a maximum. Add engine oil. So it's on the maximum high level. From there, it's just a case of replacing the air filter cover, the retaining washer, and the wing nut, and tighten down. So until you replace the air filter, that's a job you'll never have to do again.